Hey hustlers and future YouTube stars. Want to crush it on YouTube but feel overwhelmed? Don't sweat it. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. We're talking game-changing tools available for free that can help you pump out high-quality videos like a pro. Gone are the days of expensive software and complicated editing. With the power of AI, you have everything you need at your fingertips to create engaging, professional-looking videos that will have your viewers hitting that subscribe button faster than you can say algorithm. This is not just about keeping up, this is about getting ahead. AI is your secret weapon to unlock your creativity, streamline your workflow, and take your YouTube channel to the next level. Let's dive in. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, these AI tools are about to become your new best friends. Imagine this. You can research what's hot right now, create stunning thumbnails, write compelling scripts, edit videos, and add music, all with the help of AI. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to do next. These tools are like having a team of experts working behind the scenes, guiding you every step of the way. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use them. They're designed with simplicity in mind so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content. Think about it. Time is your most valuable asset. These AI tools can shave hours off your workflow, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, connecting with your audience, brainstorming new ideas, and growing your channel. Ready to unlock your full potential? Let's get down to business. First things first, we need to figure out what your audience wants to see. Enter vidIQ, your AI-powered research assistant. This tool is a goldmine for uncovering trending topics and keywords that will get your videos seen. Simply type in your niche or a general idea, and vidIQ will analyze YouTube data to show you what's hot right now. You'll see the most popular keywords, related topics, and even competitor analysis. Think of it like having your finger on the pulse of YouTube. But vidIQ doesn't stop there. It also gives you personalized recommendations based on your channel's performance, suggesting relevant keywords and topics that will help you rank higher in search results. It's like having a personalized roadmap to YouTube success. Now that you know what to create, let's talk about grabbing attention. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, and it needs to be a showstopper. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic design guru. Canva makes creating eye-catching thumbnails a breeze. Canva offers a library of templates, images, fonts, and design elements that you can easily customize to match your brand and video topic. But here's where it gets even cooler. You can use AI tools like Midjourney and Leonardo AI to generate unique and captivating images directly within Canva. Just type in a prompt describing the image you have in mind, and watch in amazement as the AI generates stunning visuals that will make your thumbnails pop. Trust me, a little AI magic goes a long way in capturing those precious clicks. Step 3. Scripting made easy with ChatGPT. Writing scripts can be daunting, but with ChatGPT, it's like having a virtual writing partner by your side. This AI-powered tool generates text, translates languages, writes different kinds of creative content, and answers your questions in an informative way. Just tell ChatGPT your video topic and the key points you want to cover, and it will generate a script that's engaging, informative, and tailored to your audience. You can even specify the tone of voice you want, whether it's casual and conversational, or more polished and professional. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different prompts and styles. The more you use ChatGPT, the better it will understand your brand and voice, generating scripts that sound uniquely you. Step 4. Fine-tuning your script with Copilot. While ChatGPT is great for generating a first draft, sometimes you need a little extra help to polish your script and make it shine. That's where Copilot comes in, your AI-powered writing assistant that works right inside your text editor. Copilot is like having a supercharged editor and writing coach all in one. It can help you refine your sentences, suggest alternative phrasing, and even generate entire paragraphs based on your existing content. By comparing the outputs from ChatGPT and Copilot, you can create a cohesive and engaging script that flows naturally and keeps your viewers hooked. Remember, a well-written script is the foundation of a great video. Step 5. Bringing your vision to life with InVideo. Now that you have a killer script, it's time to bring your vision to life. InVideo is an online video editor that simplifies the process of creating professional-looking videos, even if you're a complete beginner. With InVideo's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can easily add your script, choose from a vast library of stock footage and music, and even record your voiceover directly within the platform. You can also add text, transitions, and special effects to make your video visually appealing and engaging. InVideo offers a wide range of templates for different video styles, from explainer videos and tutorials to social media clips and promotional content. And with its AI-powered features, you can automatically transcribe your audio, create subtitles, and even remove background noise from your recordings. Step 6. Polishing your masterpiece with Clipchamp. The final step in our AI-powered workflow is adding those finishing touches that will make your video truly shine. Clipchamp is a free online video editor that's perfect for trimming, cutting, and adding those final edits to your masterpiece. You can use Clipchamp to fine-tune your audio, adjust your video's colors and lighting, and add text overlays and graphics. It also offers a library of royalty-free music and sound effects to enhance your video's mood and atmosphere. And if you're looking for a more advanced editing experience, Filmora is another great option. It offers a wider range of features and effects, including motion graphics and animation tools. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's an AI-powered editing tool out there that's perfect for you. Conclusion. Embrace the AI revolution and start creating. There you have it, folks. Creating high-quality YouTube content has never been easier or more accessible. With these free AI tools at your disposal, you have everything you need to take your channel to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the AI revolution, unleash your creativity, and start creating content that will captivate your audience and grow your channel like never before. And remember, this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and innovative tools to emerge, making the future of content creation brighter than ever. Now go out there and make something amazing.